Hi, this is Hayden, one of the founders of Sphere, and I'm going to walk you through equity functionality. So to get to equity, you click on Marketing Equity, and you'll see a list of your clients, and you can add any of them to equity just by ticking on the box next to their name. As with virtually all of the marketing functionality within Sphere, you can get to it a number of ways. You can also get to just about all of it on the people page. So if you first start by using your filters to create a list of the people you want to take a marketing action with. So for instance, um, I want to add everyone who's rank A. I want to send a home equity report to. I would click on this, click on select all, and then click on the equity button. Um, to to add them from the equity page, it's very similar. And I'll just show you an example by adding one. So you just tick the box next to the name of anyone you want to add, click add, and then it will show you the estimated property value that will be shown to the client in their equity report. And when you click confirm, um, they will then receive um, uh, an email that asks them if they'd like to opt in for a monthly home equity report. And you can customize the notes they'll receive here. Um, Here is what they look like for the client. So this is the first one asking them if they'd like to opt in. And then this is the note that they receive each month. And when they click on see your equity, it shows them the estimate of their home value for the month. We pull this data from a number of sources, including Zillow and the Fed's database. Um, the mortgage data, if we have it, and then their equity, and then there's a graph of how their home value has moved over time. And right from this page, we've pre-populated the question that gets asked most through the equity report, but they can type in anything that they'd like here. And then when they click on send, you'll receive a push notification on your phone if you've downloaded the Sphere app, and a notification within Sphere, and you can also set up on the settings notifications. You can decide both for equity and for anything else how you'd like to be notified for various events. So you could also receive an SMS or an email when they get in touch. Um, There's also a list of everyone who's subscribed under subscriptions. And there's an equity report each month that shows you a list of all of the reports that went out for the month, um, high level stats on open rates and click rates. And if you click view report, you can see all the details for each of the equity subscribers, as well as download a report. Well, thanks so much for using Sphere. And if any questions that you have, anything that's not answered on uh, the help page, feel free to send an email to support which is just support at usphere.com.